Every Endurance plan includes elite benefits free for the first year. That's up to $2,000 in added protection for some of the most common issues drivers face on the road. These benefits are available from day one and are reimbursement-based, with pre-authorization required before use. Elite benefits include protection across 4 areas: complete tire repair, windshield repair, key fob replacement, and a collision discount. For example, something as simple as a nail in the road can leave you with a flat tire. Elite benefits include coverage for up to 4 tire repairs or replacements due to road hazards. You're also eligible for up to $500 each toward windshield repair and key fob replacement. If you're involved in a covered collision, Elite benefits can provide up to $500 to help offset your out-of-pocket repair costs. You can also log into the Endurance customer portal to access your Elite benefits at any time. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit EnduranceWarranty.com.
Drive on